Today I'm going to be preparing a black bean salad that I saw on somebody else's channel. The channel is Dr. Ann, and she is incredible. Her channel is Dr. Ann Wellness. She's a doctor and she is all about nutrition, and she has these wonderful nutritional videos that my kids and I watch all the time, as well as occasionally she has recipes. I saw this recipe, I knew I wanted to make it. I actually have made black bean salad many times in the past. This one's slightly different, and I thought I would give this one a try. So let's get started. So the things that we're gonna need today is a head of cilantro. Now there's actually 2 in this jar right here, so I'm just gonna use one of those. Some cucumber, a red bell pepper, a lime, and this is a really unattractive lime, but it's gonna be good nonetheless because I just need the juice from it. Some seasoned rice vinegar, 2 cans of black beans, and 1 can of, she recommends, shoe peg white corn, or shoe peg corn. So 1 of those, and some red onion, which I have in here, some olive oil, and salt and pepper to taste. So what she does is she just mixes all these ingredients together and lets it sit so that the flavors can marry. And I'm gonna get started preparing this. So the first thing she does is she rinses the black beans and the corn. So let me get these open and rinsed. Okay, I have my black beans and my corn rinsed and in this bowl right here. Just give that a little stir. It already looks delicious. And the next thing she does is she dices up a red bell pepper and some cucumber. So I'm gonna get that prepared. So the next thing, get the juice of 1 lime in here. My lime is sad looking on the outside, but perfectly delicious and juicy on the inside. All right, that was a nice juicy lime. So this is 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil. So I'll do 3. All right. And a little bit, this is a very liberal splash or 2 of seasoned rice wine vinegar. Or rice vinegar, so we'll see. All right. And salt and pepper to taste. So I'll just do a little sprinkle of salt. And that's everything. She actually also adds a little splash of hot sauce, but I'm not going to. I'm gonna let, if anybody in my family wants to add hot sauce, I'll let them do it independently. I'm gonna mix all this up. It's absolutely beautiful. This would be perfect for a summer garden party or a barbecue. Look how beautiful it is. All right, so I'm gonna let this sit for probably a couple of hours, and we'll give it a try. So I'm having this right now for lunch while I work on my computer, and it is divine. It is so good. I was a little concerned that the amount of lime juice and the vinegar was going to make it super tangy, but seasoned rice vinegar is a little bit sweet, and so it doesn't make it more tangy. It just balances the acidity from the lime juice so beautifully. It's really a crunchy, delicious, satisfying salad. I highly recommend it. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you will like the video, hit subscribe, and tap the notification bell for notifications on future videos. I will have a link to Dr. Ann's website below and the recipe down below if you are interested. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will catch you next time.